Hello friends, Jai Shri Ram. If you are a new budding YouTuber and you are searching for a good microphone for your YouTube videos, then this 2000 rupees wireless full duplex two transmitter microphone is the one that I'll recommend to you. Cost is only 2000 rupees. It is wireless, so you don't have to worry about the mess that the wires create, and it comes with two transmitters and one receiver. So in a single video you can use both these mics. You can attach one mic to your caller and another mic to the caller of your guest, and you can have a nice interview recorded using the same mobile phone. I'll explain it a little later, maybe later in the video. So when you check this, it comes wrapped in a panni. Remove the panni, then you just slide it like this. You get the machine over here and the charging cable over here. So let us look at the machine first. This is the charging case. It has two transmitters, means two mics, and one receiver. Okay, so it comes fully charged, and you have to remove the panni which is over here. So when you remove the panni and you put it inside, then there are uh, leads over there which connect with these leads, and so it starts charging up from the uh, charging case. So the charging case is currently 32% charged. Why? Because it was 100% charged, but then I removed the panni and put them in, so they are sucking the juice out of the uh, a case battery. Okay, now how is the case constructed? Let me just give you a brief idea about it. This is the older case that I have. This is my older Grenaro mic. So this is how the case is. So there is a hinge over here. I have removed it. Okay, held together with this. Yeah, and this is the whole mechanism. So what it has is, here you can keep the receiver does not have any lead connected to it, and these are the transmitters that are mics are connected to these leads. Okay, and they are connected to this battery. Okay, got the idea? So this is how the whole thing works. And then there is this charging pin at the bottom of the case. So now you can charge the case using this particular terminal. So now let me show this to you in action. Here, if you start charging it from here, it is type C. So you feel welcome to charge it using your mobile charger as well. It's absolutely fine. Otherwise, you will get the wires to charge it. So the wires are given over here. Charge the case from here. As soon as the charging starts, this LED will glow, which will indicate to you that the charging has started. And then this number will keep on increasing until it reaches 100. This is percentage of charge that this battery has. Okay, then here unfortunately this model does not have a way for me to know how much these transmitters have charged themselves, but I should just take a leap of faith that since they are in the case, they must be charged. The only way of knowing how much they are charged is when you turn them on. So long press to turn it on. When you turn them on, if this thing is green, the third LED is green, it means it is sufficiently charged. If it is yellow, then it is medium charged. If it is red, that means its charging is low. And if it is red blinking, it means the charging is very low and it can turn off at any time. Got the idea? So this is the way of knowing how much this transmitter is charged. So this one is sufficiently charged. This one, let me turn it on. Yeah, this one is also sufficiently charged. Now you will notice that this first LED having that chain, it is blinking. Here also it is blinking. So it means both these transmitters are trying to connect to the receiver. Where is the receiver? The receiver is sitting and nicely relaxing in the case. So let me take the receiver out. Let me put this receiver in my phone. So this is what this is, a type C uh, pin. So I'll put it in a type C socket of my phone. As soon as I do that, this LED has turned on. So this means it is active. So receiver gets power from the phone. Okay, receiver does not require to be charged. It receives the power from the phone itself. Now see, the LED, the topmost LED has stopped blinking. It is solid green. That means the it has connected to the receiver. At the same time, the other transmitter's first LED is also solid green. That means both of them are connected to the same receiver. Now you start your camera, you start filming a video. So this phone recording will now be using mic which is USB mic. That means it will be recording audio from here. And since this receiver is connected to both the transmitters, voice recorded from both of them will get recorded in that video. So in a single video, you can put this on your caller and you can put this on the caller of your guest. So your voice as well as your guest's voice will get recorded in the single video which you will shoot using this phone. Okay, now just like you can attach this receiver to the phone, you can attach it to any other device. Now my Android phone allows type C charging plug, or type C connecting plug, you can say. If your phone does not allow it, like if you're having iPhone, then uh, in the case you will be having this box, right? So it has charging cable as well as an adapter, or you can say a connector for lightning port. So let me show that to you. So when you open it, yeah, when you open it, this is a lightning port adapter. That means you put this in your iPhone at this part, and over here you have type C. Okay, so now you connect this receiver like this into it. Got it? So this is for that thing. And besides that, if you want to connect this thing into a USB type A port, then you can buy something like this. I leave link in the description, but this thing you have to buy on your own. It doesn't come with the Grenaro's device. Here you can connect it like this. Okay, so here there is type C and here there is type A. So USB type A to type C converter you will have to buy on your own, and then you can plug this into your PC as well. So now in your PC, since this is connected to your PC, you can record audio using these mics in your PC. For example, if you are having a client call using your laptop, then you can connect this mic to your laptop, because maybe mic's microphone is not good. So in that case you can use this mic for your laptop as well. Otherwise, if you're a content creator like me, then you might like to record the phone, you might like to record phone screen, or maybe PC screen. So for that also you put this into PC, you start recording the screen, and your mic you can use as this mic. So in Camtasia you'll have to select which mic you'll be using for recording that particular recording. Okay, recording audio for that recording. Got the idea? So this is how it can be used for your phone as well as for your PC. Now let me also tell you how the charging cable is. Here they have given you a lot of flexibility. The charging cable comes in this forked manner. So here there is USB type A, and here there is USB type C, another USB type C. So ideally you will ask, Amit, since I have a charging case, why do I require two wires? I mean, lack of common sense, really. Yeah, I also felt like that in the beginning. But let us say that your charging case is not working, or this something is wrong with the charging case. For example, here the connection to this battery is using these wires, right? Suppose these wires are not properly connected, something has happened. Then what will you do? Will you go and correct this case? Well, an easier thing means you will lose the shoot time as long as this is not getting corrected. So instead of this, they have given this alternative that you can directly plug this into your laptop or your phone charging adapter, and you can directly charge these transmitters using these type C chargers. Okay, so both of them will get charged at the same time. Another great feature that it gives is this receiver. While you're recording something using this receiver, and let us say that your phone is not properly charged, then there is this USB type C. So what you can do is you can charge the phone while you are recording. That is also possible. So here charging will continue, so your phone will keep on charging. At the same time, this will also be connected to your transmitter, so now you can record the audio also. Your phone, I mean, you're recording the video using this mobile, right? So your mobile is recording audio from this transmitter, or if both of them are connected, then using both of these transmitters. And at the same time, the phone is getting charged also. So you put this in your, or use any cable, by the way, you can use even a simple mobile charging cable also. So the thing is, if your mobile battery is low while you're recording an interview, then this thing can come really handy, that you can charge it while recording the video. Okay, now let me come to the most difficult part of the video, which is explanation of these LEDs. So the first LED, I told you, it indicates whether it is connected or not. This LED is also important because it also tells you the noise level. So if you see the box here, it tells that it has noise cancellation levels 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 levels of noise cancellation. What it means is, let us say that you're in a noisy environment. So just click this button. This is the only button that you have, right? So if you long press it, it will turn on the transmitter or turn off the transmitter. Okay, but if you single click it, just tap it like this, then what happens? I clicked it once. This first LED has blinked. Okay, so what it means is, now it is using noise cancellation level 1. Means some noise will be cancelled. Now if there is more amount of noise, and if you want to cancel more amount of noise, then click it once more. It has blinked twice, which means it is at noise cancellation level 2. If you click it once more, it is at noise cancellation level 3. Now the noise cancellation level is maximum over here, that means maximum noise will get cancelled. But always remember, more the noise cancellation level, lesser is the quality of your audio. So if you want a very good audio, suppose you're singing, then turn off the noise cancellation. Now you will say, Amit, what can I do? Yeah, I'm already at noise cancellation level 3. How can I remove the noise cancellation? So you click it once again, so it will circle back to 0 noise cancellation level, and that's why it did not blink even once. So if you click the button and it did not blink, that means now it is in 0 noise cancellation level. That means none of the noise is getting cancelled, and you are getting the same audio which it is listening to. Okay, it is not processing the audio at all. You are getting raw audio, and this is the best quality audio. If there is no noise around you, then please use 0 noise cancellation mode. Okay, so I explained you everything about the first LED. The second LED tells you about reverberation mode. Reverberation mode yani, you will feel as if the room is empty and the sound is echoing. If you want that effect, especially suppose if you are a content creator and if you want to stress upon a certain point, uh, so much so that you want the audio to appear as if it is coming from some other dimension to you, then you can start the reverberation mode. Okay, so let me start the reverberation mode on my older Grenaro mic, which I'm using to record the current video. So let me start the reverberation mode by triple clicking it. So this button has to be triple clicked. See, like this. 1, 2, 3. See, reverberation mode has started. If I triple click it again, it will stop. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but I'm not recording this current video using this mic, so let me give the demonstration using the mic which is attached to my collar at the moment. So I'm turning on the reverberation mode. Okay, the reverberation mode must be on now. So this is how the reverberation mode audio sounds like. And now let me turn it off. Okay, the reverberation mode is off now, so this is my normal audio. Okay, so this is what this LED means. So once again, a revision: long press it to turn on or off the transmitter. Click it once to shift to the next noise cancellation level. Again, click it once to go to the next one, click it once to click to go to the next noise cancellation level. And when you're at noise cancellation level 3 and when you click it once again, then it does not blink. That means you're at noise cancellation level 3. That means normal mode. You triple click it to start the reverberation mode, triple click it again to remove the reverberation mode. Now what happens when you double click it? When you double click it, the mouse this mic mutes. So the last icon tells whether it is in the muted state or not. So I'll double click it. See, now it is mute. You won't be able to hear anything. Of course, I'm not using this mic to record the video, so you are able to hear my voice, but I'm telling you. Now this one is muted. If you want to unmute it, you double click it again. Got the idea? So this is how these, I mean, using a single button, they have really designed it well. Using a single button and using these LEDs, you come to know which mode you're into. My only problem with Grenaro is that this case often comes out. So by the way, for this video, I did not take it out. It just fell down and it it opened up like this. So I'll tell you how to put it back. I anyways have to. So while doing it, I'll show you how it should be put off. So this is common sense, you know, that you'll be putting it like this, right? And of course, you know, there is a notch over here, so there should be a notch over here. So, you know, just align the notches properly. So I won't go into that. I'll tell you how this hinge works. That's more important. So here you will notice that the top basically has this kind of holes. Are you able to see them? So you see this hole over here and this hole over here. So this goes straight through both these holes. ये आर पार चली जाती है ये सिल्ली. तो आपको क्या करना है? You just put it आर पार. Okay. See, one hole is cleared. Now hold it like this and put it through the other hole as well. Okay. Okay. Now it is आर पार, as you can see. So okay, this part has gone. The other part you have to do the same thing. Grenaro really are, their architecture is a weak architecture in this case. Yeah, finally it is fitted and it should work like this. It's not working. Why? Because when it comes out, this is not there to hold it in place. So you cannot even test it in a modular way. This architecture is really hopeless architecture. Grenaro might have worked on making good mic, but the case is third class case here. And here Rode and DJI have done a great job. Their mics might not be so good. Of course, they are called the best mics in the world, but still, more than the mic, they have worked on these small little things, you know. Their case is like top class. You see the DJI case, the quality of the case, are zabardast. And then you have this Taprat case. That is a whole problem here. Yeah, I guess I got it. Okay. Now don't test it too much. Just put it inside. Now when you put it inside, then there is another problem. Now this thing has to go through the hole, right? Come on, please. Yeah, done. Now it's fitted. Got the idea? So this is how you fit this case. And finally, let me also tell you that here in the box you will find this manual. In this manual, I've already told you everything about it, with whatever you will find in the manual. But if you still want to take a screenshot of this page, then this page can be useful to you. So take a screenshot now. Okay, so it explains only what those single blink, double blink means. You know all those things now. But the same thing, if you want in one page, then that is a page. And this is the warranty card. So please, you know, I don't know whether you have to register it or not, but this is just a warranty card which only gives the phone number and the email address for customer support. So इसका होना ना होना एक जैसे ही है यार, it doesn't matter. I can find out about your customer care from Google as well. So again, a third class job by Grenaro. See, casing, packaging, this customer support, they are third class, I understand. But the sound quality is okay. I mean, it is comparable to the sound quality of Rode and DJI microphone. So if you are on a tight budget, then I will still recommend this particular mic to you. Do let me know in the comment section what you feel about it, and if you have any better microphone in your site, then let me know. And until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you so much for seeing the video till the end. It does mean a lot to me. Could you also please see the video description? It has index, link to the study material, and also if I've shown any products in this video, then the purchase links to those products. The comment section is open for your suggestions and also for your doubts. I always answer to the first 100 comments on every single video. If you want to support my work, here's my QR code or my UPI ID is amit.shirasao@UPI. Until next time, this is Amit signing off. Jai Shri Ram.